Welcome to a place where we move our bodies every single day. Today we're focusing on mobility. Let's get started right away. Tap your foot to the side, reach your arms back, and gradually start to try to bring your shoulder blades together. I'm going to present a number of mobility exercises. It's going to be one movement session that's going to boost mood and energy. We're going to build strength and balance, but particularly mobility today. But more importantly, these are movements that I'll catch myself doing throughout the day. Movements that you can do for 30 seconds, for 1 minute, and it's really going to increase your mobility. And when we show up for ourselves every day in long movement sessions is amazing, but more importantly, how do we show up for ourselves and just move our bodies regularly all throughout our day? Doing movements that just might inspire other people to move as well. Maybe movements that people might think we're crazy. We're not going to please everybody. Let's move so that we're super mobile and can age with real grace and strength. Okay, now a simple twist. Just twist your body. Let your arms be very relaxed. Feel the weight of your arms and just twist. Feel that mobility that you're creating in your upper and lower spine. You can really breathe into this movement. You breathe in and out, in and out. This movement, stand up from your chair throughout the day and just do a nice twist and just feel how much stronger your back feels. You twist a little bit deeper now. And here we go. One of my most favorite movements when I've been sitting in front of the screen for too long. Step forward, arms come up. Other foot forward, arms come up. I like to think of these little movement breaks as an opportunity for a breathing exercise as well. I breathe in and out, in and out. Calm the nervous system. Reduce some of that stress and anxiety that builds up through the day. But again, I'm also removing some of that tension in my shoulders and upper back from being in front of the computer for too long. It doesn't take intensity or tons of long sessions. Even 30 seconds or a minute of some real mindful movements, some mindful breathing exercises can make all the difference and reduce some of that stress and tension physically and mentally. One more on each side. Nicely done. Now, narrow your stance. Squat down just a little bit. Rise up and get big. Squat down. Bring your shoulder blades together. Upper back, shoulders, mobility in our arms as we reach back even further. And we squat down with a narrow stance. We're building mobility in our ankles, our knees, and our hips. And great for leg strength here too. And I invite you, breathe in, out. What if you did this movement for 1 minute throughout your day? Several times. Think of the leg strength you would create, the mobility in your entire body. And if you connect your breath to the movement, you're going to absolutely calm your nervous system. Two more. Wonderful. Now, twist, but reach up. Come up off your heel, real dynamic move, and be playful for this, with this. Kind of squat down a bit and just reach up as high and as far as you can. Look up to the sky, building that great mobility in our neck. Move more so that you can move more. Yes, let's move with a bit of pace here, see if we can't get that dopamine, serotonin, norepinephrine, those feel-good chemicals flowing. It doesn't take long. Matter of minutes, we can get those chemicals released into our body and start to enhance our mood, elevate our energy, and we're building incredible mobility in our entire body with this movement. All right, last one. Wonderful. Okay, just a simple side bend. Plant your feet, really ground yourself, and just move to the side. Just feel that in your entire side body. You're loosening everything up. You can breathe in and out. Breathe in, out. Head up high. And I invite you now, if you like, you could bring a little bit of a balancing element. You're increasing your mobility as well as building core stability and balance with this movement. And have fun with this too. If you stumble, how great. Thank you for the opportunity to get a little bit better. Really reach that arm over to feel it in the shoulder, upper back. Oh, yes. All right, one more. Now, very simply, maybe not easy, heel to toe rock. Ankle mobility. We forget about our ankles sometimes. Wow. Shouldn't we be more grateful for our ankles? When was the last time you thanked your ankles? Heel to toe. You're going to engage your core. Great for core stability, coordination, and balance here. You can use your arms too. Help out. That's the one. Here we go. Swing those arms. Working the shoulders as well as our ankles and core. Couple more here. Ooh, you feel that in the calf muscles as well. So good. Now, interlace your fingers behind your back. Just simply bend forward. Come on up. Bend your knees generously, hinge at the hips, and then reach your arms up over towards your head as well. Feel that in your shoulders, the lower back. There's a lot going on here. Your hamstrings. Rise up. And here. Come on up. Bend down. Reach those arms to the best of your ability. Really feel that in your shoulders. That one can be uncomfortable. Well, that's just showing us something. Okay, there's a bit of discomfort there. All right. One more here. Hinge and reach those arms towards your head. Oh, yeah. Oh, shake it out. This movement, up on the balls of your feet, just to get up for 30 seconds to do this is really going to build circulation when you're coming up on the balls of your feet, mobility in the ankles. Just move freely, loosey-goosey. Everything, all cells in your body are getting a workout when you bounce around like this. Okay, excellent. Now, just sway back and forth from side to side and swing your arms up. Sort of like a golf swing, but just move freely. Squat down just a little bit and then rise up. Start to get bigger with your reach. Now I invite you, let's connect to our breath. Breathe in and out. and out. In, out. Oh, yeah, let out a big sigh. Wow. Last one here. Oh, how good does that feel? Let's do one balancing exercise together to finish off. Very simply, just raising a leg, swing your arms up, so we're continuing to build that mobility in the shoulders and the upper back. Raising my leg for balance. And I'm going to add one more element just to make it a real mobility exercise. That I'm going to come up onto the ball of my foot. This can be a challenge. Oh, yeah, yes, it is a challenge. We come up onto the ball of our foot. Great for the ankle mobility, strengthen our calf muscle. Real dynamic movement here. Whew. One more on each side. Yeah. Ooh, that was a challenge. Okay, that's it for today. That's our session. Choose one of those movements throughout your day to continue to build mobility and strength. But before we go, let's take our one point of attention. Let's bring real presence into everything we do so we can avoid distraction and stay fully present in every situation. I'm going to just do a very slight shift of body weight. This is a great movement for building mobility as well. So pick your spot, just shift your weight, but give all of your attention, all of your awareness to that one spot. Let's go together. Sometimes it's a challenge, even moving just a little bit to give your full attention. It's a discipline and a practice that I think we'll be working on for a lifetime, but I think it's worth it. Thank you so much for being here. Let's do this again tomorrow. I am truly grateful to you. Goodbye.